Hey creators, welcome back. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy free method to make your own custom frames in Canva. You can use these frames to level up your designs, or even sell them online for extra income. Check this out. The same kind of frame people are selling on Etsy for around $3, and it already has over 365 reviews. So, do the math. That's a pretty good earning from a simple digital product. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this in minutes. And once you learn this method, you won't be limited to just the envelope frame. You can use your creativity to make unique designs and even start your own digital product business on Etsy if you want. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's create a new design. Click on the plus icon, choose custom size, and set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Once the blank canvas opens up, we'll need to install an app to create frames. Go to Apps, search for Frame Maker, and click on it to install. Using this app, you can easily create any type of custom frame by simply adding and adjusting points. You can also control the grid columns to bring those points closer or farther apart. It's very simple and easy to use. Now, let's start creating an envelope frame. Begin by creating a triangle and adding it to the design. Then create the other parts of the envelope. Just follow along with me. Once you have all the frame layers, place each one in its correct position. You might not see the layers clearly at first, but don't worry, that's normal. Now increase the overall size a bit. Next, go to Elements, search for Line Shadow, and open the graphics. Select this shadow graphic, adjust its size, flip it vertically, and place it there. Then duplicate it. Move it below while holding Shift. Rotate it and go to Position. Then move it behind the right side of the frame. Now, move the square frame layer to the very back, since it's the background part of the envelope. Now, adjust the shadow's position and size until it looks natural. Once that's done, duplicate the shadow and place it behind the left side frame. Repeat this same process to add shadows for all sides. Okay, so now that all the shadows are added, let's start adding images inside the frames. Go to Elements and search for Boo background since Halloween is coming up. Let's make something fun for that. Open Graphics. Instead of background, search for pattern. Here you'll find some cool options. I like this one, so let's insert it into the frames. If the image doesn't insert inside the frame, that's usually because the layer is behind. To fix that, go to Position, right-click on the layer you want, and bring it to the front. Then go back to Elements, insert the image again, and once it's placed, send the layer back to its original position. Repeat this process for the other parts. You notice that some shadow positions are slightly off, so let's adjust them. Now, let's add a different image to the insert part. Bring it to the top. Pick another image. Let's use this one. And then send it back to its position. And there you go. Our envelope is ready. Let's group all the elements together. And just look at how cool that turned out. You can even use this as a template. Just delete the images and replace them with new ones to create different envelope designs easily. Now let's quickly make a Halloween-themed design using this frame. Create a new design. Copy the envelope and paste it here. Resize and rotate it. Then go to Elements. Search Halloween background. Open Photos. And scroll down until you find something cool. I like this one, so I'll set it as the background. Next, go to Text. Scroll down and choose this scary text style. This was perfect for our Halloween design. Place it on the right side. Rotate and position it properly. Then add your text and adjust the size. I'll also add another text for the date and time. Finally, let's add a few decorative elements to make it more attractive. And that's it. The design looks great. So that's how you can easily create custom frames in Canva and use them in your own creative projects. If you'd like to get this template, make sure to hit the like button and comment below, "Yes, I want," and I'll add the template link in the description. And if you want to learn more about the FrameMaker app and its advanced or paid features, I've already created a detailed tutorial on that. You can watch it next. I'll see you there.